Okay, so you should have all of your responses recorded in your data collected for the entire population. So I have some little filler ones in here for my example. So the next type of sampling method we are going to take a look at is called convenience sampling. And if you take a look at your notes, you can see that that's just kind of like man on the street surveys. Kind of the first people that you come in contact with, you ask them your survey question. It's kind of just whoever is around, whoever is most convenient to sample. So, for example, let's say you wanted to, sorry, more cute baby sounds. You wanted to determine, the types of transportation that students at Milan High School use to get to school, and you ask like the five people sitting closest to you in Mr. Morlock's government class. That would be considered a convenience sample, and as you can probably see, it's not the most reliable method because it's based a lot, or it's determined a lot by demographics. So, as you can imagine, if you were to ask the people sitting closest to you in Mr. Morlock's class, they're probably all seniors, and so that wouldn't be representative of the population as a whole. And so the opinions and responses would be limited just to like the area that you are currently at. Here's another example here included in the notes. Um, so this example is about gun control or legalizing marijuana. If you did this type of sample in Berkeley, California, and your entire population was the United States population, that would not really represent the entire nation as a whole, given that people from this area are probably a little more liberal than people from a small town in Idaho. So um, while this is a very cheap and convenient method, it's often not super reliable. It can be quite biased based on just who happens to be present wherever you are. So for your convenience sample, um, depending on your class size, if it's a larger class, you are going to collect 5 responses. If it's a smaller course or a smaller class, you can do 3 to 4 responses. So I'll let Ms. Shu decide that. But what you'll do is you are just going to ask the people closest to you. So you're going to ask the people that are sitting at your table. And remember, you're asking the same exact question. So you'll ask for their number and then what their response is, yes or no. So you're going to ask people sitting at your table, either depending on the class size, either everyone at your table or just a few people that are sitting closest to you.